All right, time for a little bit of chassis stuff. So, these are 235 4017s that are somehow magically perfectly tucked in on a set of Case Sport coilovers. A little bit hard to see. These tires are so sticky they picked up nasty hairs from a carpet. That's actually impressive. So for this, I've got a 2-bolt style as far as the coilover. Okay. Probably have to turn the flashlight on. I wonder if I could do that. Oh, look, I can do that mid-video. Look at that. The knuckle is there with ABS for wheel speed. I have a custom 1 and 5/8 spacer and roll center adjustment from there. So that should help. The FC front subframe with power steering rack. So it's a 15.6 to 1 or something like that. It's a very quick rack. Great, thanks, wash machine. The setup looks to have very, very low bump steer. It does have a lot of caster. So because of that subframe, I'm trying to get like a good overall shot. You can see it's probably somewhere in the realm of maybe 8 degrees, 7 degrees caster kicked this way. So top hats are custom from a buddy of mine. Had to run a very low profile setup here, which this is probably actually going to rub. But this was originally set up for ground control. It has a little bit of caster adjustment, which it's fully maxed out. And then it also has camber adjustment, which you can see right here. This is pretty much the best setup I can get for the top to make this make sense on the bottom. So now we'll go to the rear suspension, which is, apologies for the mess, a 255 4017. Again, this is like perfect fitment. I have not rolled the fenders yet. I'll go to the other side where I have lighting. And so this is a Verishock double adjustable. We have very minimal clearance as far as the articulation of the axle. So as this goes up and down, the inside will get closer here, right? Obviously, there's nothing to hit in the bottom, but there is for the top. The links, here's the triangulated outer link here, and this kicks out to the center and lower, which this defines our roll center right here. Now, this is a Toyota 8-inch, so I'm getting a very, very, very long link. This is somewhere around half a degree of pinion angle change per inch of travel. So now we get to see the actual coilover. So it's a 6.15 inch stroke, 12-inch spring, 110 pound. And it is these setups. This is something pretty special here. I crammed it in there. And I think with just a little bit of fender roll and some mud flaps, good to go. And you can kind of get the idea of the solid axle. It's all trussed and built out. Ideally, I should be able to set some variance of droop versus compression and how much travel I have. I forget exactly how to do that, but I'll look it up again. I'm thinking I need to have downward travel to be higher versus upward travel to handle rougher roads, but I could be corrected. I'm sure there's better ways of doing this. So, one more thing I was going to mention is the front spring rate is 400 pounds per inch. It's a set of K-Sport garbage. So, Taiwanese crap. But, I think leaving the rear setup as it is and going with a nice set of Penske's or something up front is going to be good in between until I get it all sorted. So, that's it for now. Hopefully this helps give you a little quick rundown of the suspension and the configuration. So, thank you for the help. Cheers.